Please stay tuned for the entire video for this spaghetti and ground turkey in tomato sauce dish. Oh, hi there everyone. This is your Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen. Let me first start by seasoning my ground turkey. You can choose whatever seasoning and rub you so desire. It's really up to you. To that, I have added some soy sauce and some tomato paste, guys, and a pinch of salt and allowed to marinate. All right, family and friends, let me welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for making this a part of your viewing choice. Now, guys, I'm going to move straight to blending my tomato sauce. I've added red bell pepper, some tomatoes, some garlic, guys, and then I'm going to blend this until it is smooth. Now, in a Dutch pot, guys, I have half of a white onion, quarter of a purple onion, guys, some garlic, and of course some ginger, and I'm going to stir this until it becomes translucent. Next, I add to that my seasoned ground turkey, guys, and I'm going to saute this in nicely. Now, guys, I move to another pot. In my sauce pot, I've added my spaghetti, guys, in some green blended season and a pinch of salt and cook until al dente. Next, guys, I'm going to move back into my Dutch pot with my ground turkey, guys. If you could smell all of this goodness. No, guys, if you don't want any chunks in your ground turkey, guys, please stir it constantly. For me, I want some chunks in it, so I allow it to sit there for a few seconds before I add to that my tomato sauce. Next, I've added a quarter cup of vegetable stock, guys. Cover this down and let it cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. After 7 to 10 minutes, guys, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna add to that my drain spaghetti, guys, and just stir this in nicely, guys. Now look at this. Wow, I'm going to tell you this nice already. Now, guys, I've added to that half a cup of coconut milk. You can add vegetable stock, or you can add to that the sauce that was remaining from the spaghetti. Next, family and friends, I add 2 teaspoons of butter, guys. I've added the next half of the white onion. I've added the next quarter of the purple onion, guys, and I've added to that some green fresh thyme. Allow that to simmer in, guys, and just look at this. It is all done. It's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table, guys. Now look at this. Guys, I just topped this off with some fresh tomatoes, some green bell peppers, guys, and some green onion, guys, and just look at how inviting this is. It was once again my pleasure sharing with you another of my mother's favorite recipe. No, guys, what I'm gonna tell you, this is so deliciously divine. I'm sure you'll try this next time you are in your kitchen. I'll see you next week, guys. Love, 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 love. Mwah, love you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.